5 top reasons why e-commerce businesses fail. Starting and running an e-commerce business can be an exciting and rewarding journey, but it's not without its challenges. According to a study by Statista, global e-commerce sales are expected to reach $6.5 trillion by 2023, and the competition in this space is fierce. Unfortunately, many e-commerce businesses fail, with a failure rate of up to 80% within the first 2 years of operation. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 reasons why e-commerce businesses fail and provide actionable solutions to help you avoid these pitfalls. Whether you're just starting or have been in business for a while, this video will provide valuable insights to help you increase your chances of success. Plus, we'll introduce you to Exodus Capital, a trusted provider of e-commerce funding solutions that can help you achieve your business goals and thrive in the competitive e-commerce landscape. So, let's get started. Reason 1. Lack of market research. The first reason e-commerce businesses fail is a lack of market research. Understanding your target audience's needs and preferences is important before launching a product or service. Without proper research, you risk launching a product that doesn't have market demand, leading to low sales and eventually business failure. Market research can help you understand your competition and identify gaps in the market that you can fill. By understanding what your competitors offer, you can differentiate your product or service and add value to your customers. This can help you gain a competitive advantage and attract more customers to your e-commerce business. Reason 2.